Ladies and gentlemen, the fifth bout of our boxing tonight, fighting from the red corner, weighing 30 kilograms, the pride from Tuyun Bukidnon, Reden Rodriguez, and his opponent, fighting from the blue corner, from the Colores Village, Pangatungan, Bukidnon, Franklin Rotasio. Alright, boxers, listen to the referee. Okay, let's the first round begin. At Tuyun versus Pangatungan, Bukidnon. Oh, break. Okay, grabe nga away. Right to you. 10 seconds remaining. Second round, and first round, and for the first round. Atrasi lang ninyo, atrasi. Okay, start the second round. At Tuyun versus the Colores Village, Pangatungan, Bukidnon. Tula, nagbinitay. Wala, break. Wala, mga damamoy. Stop. Bawal. Bawal ang sumbang sa likod, ha? Bawal ang sumbang sa likod. Foul na siya, foul, ha? Boxers, bawal ang sumbang sa likod. Okay, box? Wala. Bundake. Na-corner na si Rodriguez. Ginunitay. Break. Ipanumbag. Bawal. Way hamiray. Okay. Start for the third and final round. Ginunitay. Bawal gunit paksin. Bawal gunit. Break. Boxers break. Alright. Box. Break. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Time for the third and final round. Alright. The scorecard is ready. And the winner is in my hand. Winner by unanimous decision, fighting from the blue